To get premium trading and investing tips, support on Patreon. How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Hope you guys are doing fine. Our trading plan has been top notch. If you have been watching the latest video, you should be making so many coins right now. I'm already more than 1 million coins there, but I'm right now losing on a Kimpembe flip that I didn't manage to sell yet, and I still have a lot of the road to final cards that I'm gonna sell later on, because I do think when the games of the Europa League and Champions League are gonna come closer, they're gonna rise even more. So rather than to sell them now, I'm just gonna hold my Insignia and all of those cards that I use for flips, but I still think they're too cheap that I think can rise more. So right now, EA has released this crazy thing. They released a Team of the Year honorable mentions. People are saying nominees, but these are not nominees, because nominees were just a +1 rating from their normal version card of the latest inform. But this thing right here is a huge boost of the honorable mentions. They released a lot of these cards. You also get as an objective a Grealish one, which I think is great content right now. We are seeing some of the prices getting quite low and the supply getting hard, but as we go through, I still think we should stick through with our trading plan, because I feel like it's gonna be very good. Buying any of the fodders, when the Team of the Year ends, we're gonna see a rise. Right now, no significant SBC has dropped yet, but we are also expecting the man of the matches, because as we saw today, even Footwatch has tweeted out a man of the match card. If I just show it here on Twitter that I posted out, this should be out probably tonight at midnight. It's for the cup games. They get upgraded. Also, the live items get upgraded based on these men of the match cards if they get them, if they play well in a cup game. So it should be very fun. It should be more players, and I'm also going to be opening my packs potentially on Sunday as these guys come out as well. So there should be a quite huge pool of players that is going to be quite in demand. Of course, the 12th player is Messi, bringing the supply, but there's also something that I said at the start of the stream. I told everybody at the stream, watch these cards go up in value when content is released. And this is what happened. We saw Fernandes at 4 mil. We saw De Bruyne under 2.1 mil. We saw Lewandowski at 2.8 mil. Right now, they rose 140k. Now, I said to my viewers on stream, if you weren't on stream or anything like that, make sure to join them from Monday to Friday, 5:30 p.m. We're making mad coins. If you want to maximize that, just be there, guys. Just put the notifications on. You should be making very good coins right now. And basically, I said to my viewers, you know, this is just the sell-off because people are scared. They're scared of the content. They know 12 players come in. Maybe there's leakers saying there's going to be mad new cards dropping. Sell your Team of the Years if you have them. There's no demand on it. And as soon as it drops, people started buying back. Now, is this the low point? Was that the low point? No. That wasn't at all the low point. The low point should be sometime either this Sunday, as I said, or this Sunday after they go out of packs. It all depends how the market movement goes. I would say if you need a card, even if you buy them this Sunday, if it's very cheap, I would say it's still better. And even if it goes lower the next Sunday, just hold it through the whole period into the Lunar New Year and afterwards, because I would say that would still be better to hold these cards, because every single Team of the Year keeps quite straight line on the market value throughout the year, so you shouldn't be losing any coins or anything like that. The prices that are here right now, they should be throughout the year just slightly lower than they are right now. So for example, if you want to buy a Ronaldo and you buy him under 8.5 mil, you should be seeing him float between 8 and 9 mil throughout the year. So you wouldn't be losing a lot of coins. At least this were the patterns for the past 2 years. So if you're interested in Team of the Years, this is these are the prices that you're looking at. Just try and snipe them a bit lower on Sunday. I think they will be a bit lower and you should be totally fine. Now, something else that I wanted to talk about is the Team of the Weeks right now. As we said, I really love Elvedi, I love Marcelo, I love Canales, I love these guys as investments, as a long-term. When the Team of the Year ends, they should be going back up. I think Neymar could be potentially lowest either tomorrow or Sunday. We're gonna see how much also coin supply and everything like that happens. If he's gonna be supplied a lot, which I don't think, because he's top tier meta player, I don't think he's gonna be supplied as much. But if there's a lot of supply on him throughout into the Lunar New Year, because he's a Team of the Week, he's not top tier Team of the Year card, I do think he can have into the Lunar New Year a slight dip again down. So be careful about that. If you want to buy Neymar, I don't consider you invested in, because the investment wise, you only should be focusing on the fodder. And we're having here the cheapest players, and I do think like the 87 and the 88 and the 86 fodder could be very 89. not the 86, I'm sorry, could be very cheap right now, because there's also no significant SBCs that drop. There's quite good supply. People are expecting something to drop at 730, even if it drops, because we got in previous years some sort of, like in Foot 19 they released an SBC Bale. I don't know if you remember that, which was a Team of the Year SBC or something like that. And people are thinking, you know, since they brought up these new cards, the nominees ones, which are not the nominees, they're honorable mentions, they're gonna do also an SBC Player 730, which is usually the case that they release content. Even if they do that, or if they don't, I don't care. I feel like afterwards, these fodder will drop even more as the supply keeps hitting, as the supply keeps coming, and you guys should be making coins into the next week as soon as they the Team of the Year promo ends, and we go into the ones to watch promo period, which would also be a good look at the ones to watch players. I was talking today on stream about potentially Osimhen and Florenzi, which kind of look like an okayish values for a longer term investment. Last year, the SBC of the wants to watch, which required a guaranteed wants to watch player, which you needed to input a wants to watch player, was released on February 17th. I don't think this year we'll get it as soon, maybe a week later, just because everything is a bit postponed. So maybe towards the end of February, we might see also a wants to watch SBC there, which would bring up these guys in value. So it would be a longer term hold if you guys want to hold for this one and see what happens. Either way, fodder right now is where to focus your energy, is where to go and buy and hold it after the Team of the Year period is out. I'm very close to doubling my coins. I got a bit of a setback on that Kimpembe, which in my opinion is going to be dropping. I didn't even check the price, but because of that Marquinhos that drop, I feel like he's going to be dropping even more. Some of you have asked me, will these guys be flippable? I think they will be flippable, but you must not buy them now. Why? Because I think all of these dudes will be dropping lower as the supply keeps coming. The supply will keep coming, people are going to be listing them, and I do think very late into the evening, if you have big cojones, you will be potentially going in at a very much lower value than they are right now, and you will be relisting them into tomorrow morning when the supply should stop. Now, would I recommend you guys do that? Nah. I don't think it's worth the risk. I think you should stick to the fodder. Just go in there, buy as many as you can. If you have 5 million coins, just go all in that fodder. Splash it out in the M-forms. Just diversify between the M-forms and the gold ones and hold them into the next week. And you're profiting 100% on that. So, I don't know. It's 10% ROI, it's 20% ROI, it's 25. If that's 5 million coins and you make 25%, it's almost like more than 1 million coins that you make out of that fodder. So, hope you guys are doing well. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you on Monday, 5:30 on stream, guys. Have a good one. Cheers.